Hi friends, how are you doing? Today, I have a quick news to share. Have you heard about the file sharing website WeTransfer? The recent news is it has been blocked in India by DOT, that is the Department of Telecom. I specifically mentioned WeTransfer website rather than WeTransfer service. That's the beauty and convenience of the service. You do not need to install any app or sign up for an account to transfer large files. Just access the website WeTransfer.com, drag and drop your file, enter the recipient's email and the download link will reach his inbox. You can send files up to 2 GB for free. No registration or app install. Such an easy service and it's pretty popular. But somehow Indian government has decided to block the website. Department of Telecom has asked internet service providers to block access to WeTransfer.com. The reason behind the move is mentioned to be for national and public interest, but the exact reasons are still not clear. WeTransfer is a Dutch company with 50 million users worldwide, and every month 1.5 billion files are transferred via WeTransfer. Usually, European companies are strict about their security and privacy policies, so I don't suspect security being a reason for this ban. Also, it's only blocked in India. Because the exact reasons are not revealed, it's also possible that the ban is temporary. If you have any further details behind this ban, please let me know in the comments below. And for those who miss the service, we'll have to look for alternatives. Smash is the closest alternative I've found. It also works directly from website without the need to sign up. It works almost the same way as WeTransfer, and I couldn't find a limit for the file size. I have tried file of almost a GB but couldn't find any mention of the file limit on their website. If you know about the upper limit details on Smash, please let me know in the comments below. By the way, the website is fromsmash.com. Other than that, storage services like Google Drive and Dropbox are good alternatives. Personally for me, Google Drive, Dropbox or even OneDrive for that matter are long-term storages which keeps my personal files in sync between my devices at home and office. For temporary transfer of large files, I prefer WeTransfer. I'm currently in Dubai and I still can use it. If you like such tech and productivity related tips and information, please let me know in the comments below. We'll see you soon with another interesting video.